Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, for your information, I have already posted 3 videos, but those were specifically for my Southeast Asian brothers and my Indian Doge investors. So those videos used to specifically focus on Doge investment, but the video this video and the playlist in which it is will focus on all the cryptos which are quite promising and also very tempting. Please mark my words, guys. This video is going to be very informative for you, and it's not just what the world shows you. Don't believe in everything the world shows you. People are running after specific cryptos, but there are various cryptos hidden from the marketing aspects which are very promising. So if you find this video beneficial, guys, please like, share and subscribe. And this in fact helps to motivate me, and also I'll be looking forward for your suggestions in the comment section. All right, so if we can begin the video. uh, Again, I must say this, that the video is going to be very informative, guys. So please be vigilant, please be watchful. What I'm going to say today is a list of cryptos which have different potential aspects, and I will be categorizing them in 3 different categories. And in total, I will be mentioning you total 19 cryptos which you should be very vigilant right now. There are a lot of cryptos, guys, but there are specifically 19 cryptos that are very promising and tempting, and you should be knowing if you are an investor in this crypto world. Cut short to what the information I want to bring in is, so there will be a list of these 19 cryptos, and I want the my community guys to keep a track on these cryptos. I will be mentioning the prospective buy price in both dollar and INR, because I myself is an Indian, and if you're not racist, you're going to like me anyways. So buy price in dollar and INR, I will be presenting to you that it will be the minimum price actually, and you can always buy at a price lower than that if you are lucky, but always in fact you can buy at a price just slightly above it also. All right, so there will also be a vigilant number. I mean, just suppose if a crypto is getting near to $2 and the buy number was $2, while it has reached just now to $2.5. So you should be vigilant when it has reached $2.5. All right. By vigilant, it means that there is a range from where you better start focusing on it, and don't miss even a minute. As soon as your crypto reaches that vigilant number, your laptop, your mobile handset should be on and you should be looking at the screen. At any time, you will be buying that crypto, and obviously, you know the buy price which I'll be suggesting you. So there will be list of 19 cryptos, and there will be one special crypto that I will be mentioning in the end. So a total of 20 cryptos, potential buy price of all these 20 cryptos in both US dollar and INR, Indian rupees. There will be a vigilant number, a range in which if the crypto reaches, you should start becoming more vigilant and more focus on it. And also there will be future prospects for each of these cryptos. By future prospects, I mean what will be the return of these cryptos, expected return in the next 10 days, and that return will be in percentage. All right, so these all information that I'm going to provide you, my brothers, it will be just my viewpoint, the research I and my team has done on it, and you can always agree and disagree to it. If you agree to it, you might earn more, because we are keeping researching on this cryptos especially. Don't fall for the marketing tactics, don't fall for just one or two cryptos. It's not just about Bitcoin, it's not just about Doge. There are lot of cryptos which are very promising and very tempting, guys. So please pay attention to this. In fact, among this 20 cryptos, as I said, there will be one specific crypto that will be very special. I will be mentioning that in the end. And for the rest of the 19, I have divided them in 3 categories. Uh, first eight cryptos will be those cryptos which will have a potential of a 15% rise in the coming 10 days. Obvious 15% rise in the coming 10 days. All right. So these cryptos you should keep in mind. You should not lose focus on them. Also, the next category will be a set of eight more cryptos. All right. That will have a better potential. I think they will give you a return of around, as I can see in my data, around 20% in the next 10 days. All right. So, eight cryptos in 10 days, which will give you a return of 15%. And then again, eight cryptos, which again in the next 10 days have a potential for 20% rise. And lastly, there will be three cryptos which have the highest potential for rise in the next 10 days, and I expect them to be above 30% rise in 10 days. A 30% rise for three specific cryptos, that makes it all, guys, 19 cryptos here. And the last crypto, I don't count its potential in terms of 10 days. I count that crypto as a diamond, if you can say. It's that crypto is not meant to be dealt intraday, and that the last crypto that I will be sharing with you guys will be meant to be kept for a longer time, most probably for 2 months. And as far as I can see, all the marketing, all the gimmicks that happening about that last crypto, which I'm not sharing the name and keeping it a suspense, that last crypto might give you a 200%, 200 times, that is 20,000% rise in the next 2 months actually. So that crypto I will keep for the end of the videos. Please stay tuned for all the list of these cryptos. So friends, let's start the video and let's see the list of all these different categories of crypto and the potentials they have and what is the current status going on. So let's shift to US dollar ones. And yeah, so the first crypto I want to bring to your notice is of the category 1. Remember, the category 1 were those 8 cryptos which had good potential in them, and it's expected to give a 15% rise in the next 10 days. The first is Zilliqa. Watch this. The Zilliqa is currently around, if you can see, 0.19345 it's going on, and 0.2 mark also it has touched. However, we want you to buy it as soon as it reaches 0.19. And the vigilant number, do keep a note. Please do keep a note of what the data I'm sharing with you. And if you would request me in the comments, I will in the next video post a list of all these cryptos well maintained properly. But I would like you to get involved with me in this video. So do keep a note of all these cryptos which I'm mentioning. The Zilliqa is the number one. The Your buy price should be about $0.19, that's 19 cents. And the vigilant number that you should be looking is 0.2. So it has actually touched 0.2. Yeah, so 0.20662 is the last price going on, and in Indian rupees, if you can see, it is 16.16. So just take a note of this, that the vigilant number in US dollar for Zilliqa will be 0.2, which it has just reached, and the buy price should be around 0.19. It doesn't matter if you buy it exactly 0.19 or slightly above. If you are lucky, you might also get it a bit below than 0.19. All right. For INR, the vigilant number should be 15. It has reached 16.16. You can wait for some more time, and you should definitely buy this if it goes around 14 to 15, between 14 to 15. So Zilliqa is of the first category, and I have said you the vigilant numbers in both dollars and INR, and also the buy price. Just remember, it is expected to be giving 15% rise in the next 10 days. Next, second number crypto which we have with us is REN. All right. So this is the next crypto, and those who are interested in this or have heard about this, you can take a note that the vigilant number in US dollar is 0.92. So if you can see, it has reached 0.95, and if it comes down to 0.92, you should really be looking on this buy price at US dollar. I would recommend it to be around 0.85 to 0.92, anywhere between 0.85 to 0.92. If you buy it, it's definitely going to give you a 15% return in the next 10 days, as per our research, as per our viewpoints. Same converted to INR. If you can see, it is 75 rupees right now, and we recommend the vigilant number should be 68 or 70. 70 also you can keep if the rent comes down to 70 or 68, but definitely the buy price should be between 64 to 68. If you're going to buy this at 64 rupees or 68 rupees, in between that, it's going to give you a good return. So we are done with Zilliqa, friends. We are done with Ren. So we are done with two cryptos. Please, 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 if you find this informative, do like, share, and subscribe. I'm not a very professional YouTuber, to be frank, but the information I'm going to give you is a very high grade crypto investment information. And this kind of information you will not find in any of the crypto investors YouTubers video, because they will always want you to buy a specific crypto, and they don't want you to widen your spectrum of investment. Guys, please remember, if one crypto is getting raised a lot, it means people are disinvesting from other cryptos, and the other cryptos are bound to fall. What does that mean? If the other cryptos are falling, that's where you should invest in the other cryptos. And those YouTubers are just going to tell you about one or two or most maximum five cryptos that you should be investing. They want to create a flow of something, and they want to get benefited by themselves. All right. Also, at this point, I just want to share something very secret, very secretive in nature, that those YouTubers which you find suggesting you to invest in only two or three cryptos or five cryptos, they are not the exact whales in this market. Yes, guys, there are crypto whales, the big investors, and the big investors don't give a fuck. Really, though, they don't give a shit about only two or three cryptos. Their entire team is sitting and watching the graphs of all 2025 cryptos, and they are doing all the shuffles at the right time. We are just mere characters playing the play already been decided. So I request you again, widen your spectrum. Don't fall for the traps of other YouTubers suggesting you to just invest in three or five cryptos, or just focus on them at least. I want you to invest in three or five only. That's only the potential of a normal person. But to focus a list of 10, 15, or 20 cryptos gives us a better sense of what is actually happening in this world. All right. That being said, I hope you understand what I want you to understand. All right. So please be very clear about this crypto investment, that it is just not a game of two or three cryptos. That's just the marketing gimmick happening everywhere. Coming back to the topic, the third crypto, guys, which you are waiting. Yes, I won't give you any more lecture. I'm not a very good advisor, but I want you to be smart. So I did my part. The next is, yes, you guessed it right. That's your favorite iOS token, right? So the iOS token, if you can see, is right now 0.06, guys. All right, and in INR, it's 4.91. Please take a note that the vigilant number for this, for the iOS, is 0.07, which it has already come below it. So you should right now be focusing on iOS token as well. And the buy price for the iOS token is definitely 0.06. So if we are getting here iOS right now at 0.062, you can definitely buy this. This is going to give you a return of at least 15% in the next 10 days. Same converted to INR. The vigilant number was around 5. All right, and obviously you can buy it anywhere between 4.5 to 4.8. It's 4.92, and anywhere time it comes down to 4.8 or 4.5, if you are very lucky, you should immediately get this. It is definitely going to give a good return within the next 10 days. Take a note, guys. The third crypto which I shared with you is iOS token. All right. These information you are not going to find in any other YouTuber's video. They are going to stick to only 4 or 5 tokens. All right. They never show you the entire picture, what's happening. And we also are lazy and lethargic. We don't give time to all the cryptos, what is happening. We just fall. We try to fall in their traps. They want us to fall and we fall in that. I want you to be smart. Smart investors, a community of smart investors that understand that the YouTubers are not the ones who are controlling the waves. The waves are controlled by the whales. And the whales don't give a shit about only 2 or 3 cryptos. They just want profit. All right. So the next crypto is, guys, just hold on. Can you guess? What did I write? It's swipe. SXP, which is also known as swipe, and you find this is going 4.968 US dollar. Our vigilant number was 4.98. It has just come in our vigilant range. We should now also be very vigilant of this particular token if you want a fair amount of a 15% increase in the next 10 days. And obviously the buy price we are suggesting is anywhere above 4.8. 4.8 or above, I mean between 4.8 and 4.9, you should definitely go for this. It's a good investment. It will definitely give you a 15% potential in the next 10 days, guys. So do remember the fourth uh, token which we talked about is swipe, also written as SXP. And just for my Indian and Southeast Asian brothers, uh, the price in INR which you should be looking at is 380 is the vigilant number we are keeping it, and anywhere between 360 to 370 if you are getting this, even if by 375, it makes sense to get this, to get the swipe tokens, and just hold on for the next 7 to 10 days and it's definitely going to give you a 15% rise. So I hope you guys are feeling confident now that this is not a game of 2 3 cryptos only. All right, this is a big game, guys. This is a very big market. Fifth token, without wasting any more time, let's go to, yeah, there it is. The Chroma, also mentioned as CHR. The US dollar is going around 0.449, right? So our vigilant number is exactly 0.40. It's coming quite near to that, and the buy number will be around 0.38 to 0.4. Anywhere between you 0.38 to 0.4, if you get this, it's a good investment, guys. And for my Indian brothers and Southeast Asian brothers, if you want to just get it in INR, do take a note that the vigilant number is 30 rupees, and you can buy it anywhere between 27 to 30 or even 31. That will be a good investment. So Chromia is our fifth token, guys. All right, just keep tuned. Don't miss this video, right? So we are done with Chromia now. I have given some information, and definitely, guys, I will be making lots of videos on all these cryptos. But I want you guys to be involved with me as well, to motivate me as well. Next on the list is, what did I write, guys? Unilend, also known as UFT. The last price, current price is 1.8993 US dollar. The vigilant number, please take a note, is 1.75, bound to give you a 15% investment return if you buy it around 1.6, 1.62 to 1.7 US dollar if you get it 15% category. All right, and in INR the vigilant number is 135, and anywhere between 120 to 130, it's a good investment, guys. All right, so without wasting any more time, just keep on taking this note. uh, I'm going to the next token, guys. Ripple. XRP, also known as Ripple. Current price is going around 1.57408. If you see what was the highest, 1.66, what was the lowest, 1.52. What is our vigilant number? That's 1.57, guys. So today it really touched our vigilant number, that was 1.57, and the number which we suggest to buy it is $1.5 to anywhere between 1.56. So you could have bought this Ripple today, but which YouTuber talks about Ripple, guys? I mean, there are very few who would be concentrating on this particular token, unless and until you know that there is a token called Ripple and you want to find YouTubers who talk about this particular token. You're not going to get a mention of this token by the big YouTubers, guys. But this is what you should keep in mind. It has touched 1.52 today. We could have bought this. All right. So it also falls in the category of that 15 percent potential tokens for the next 10 days. You can hold it for 7 to 10 days and it will definitely give a rise of 10 to 15%. Definitely. Again, please don't go in for our words. We are just presenting our research work and viewpoints, and the market is obviously subjected to risk. All right, the bear gang is there, the bull gang is there, and they also play their part. But we have done our research, and it's just our viewpoints. All right. So that was our seventh uh, token, and the last one in this category is zero times protocol, ZRX. Uh, the highest price it went today was $2 and the lowest was $1.7, guys. So what does this mean, $1.7 and $2? It definitely means a hike of 15% in just one day, guys. And we should also take a note of this particular token and the vigilant number. Just take a note. I'm going fast through all these tokens from now onwards. 1.78 will be vigilant number of in US dollar, and the buy price should be anywhere between 1.73 to 1.78 US dollars. For my Indian brothers and Southeast Asian brothers, please take a note that 135 INR is the vigilant number we are sharing, and it should be bought anywhere between 128 to 132, and it's definitely going to give you a raise of 15% within the next 7 to 10 days. What I mean by the next 7 to 10 days is not that it will take time 7 to 10 days, but it will just take maybe even a day that it can give you the same amount of return. All right. So we are done with the first category of all the tokens, and let's move on to the more tempting, more important tokens. Starting with, do take a note of these tokens which I'm going to share next. These are the higher potential tokens which we generally miss out. Stellar, as the name suggests, is going stellar. All right. So this is a quite important token, guys. The This particular category can give you a return. The next 8 tokens I'm going to tell you about this particular category will definitely give you a return from 20 to 25% in the next 7 days. All right. The vigilant number for stellar is 0.54. It is already in our vigilant zone, and the buy number is 0.48 to 0.52. It's currently 0.52351. You can definitely buy this and expect a return of 20 to 25% even in the next 7 days, guys. All right. So and in INR, sorry, just in INR, take a note that the vigilant number is 40 and the buy number should be anywhere between 36 to 40. All right. So we are done with the stellar, written as XLM, and the next will be SIA coin. So SIA coin, also known as SC, is currently at 0.04199 US dollar, which is converted to 3.29 rupees. So I want the vigilant number, sorry, for this was 0.05. It's already in our vigilant zone. We should keep a track of this, and the buy number should be 0.39 to 0.5. 0.41 guys. It's already in our buy zone. You can either wait or definitely give a try on this. It's going to give you a investment rise of 20 to 25% in the next 7 days guys. All right, in INR the 3.2 is the vigilant number, and just buy it anywhere around 2.8 to 3 rupees. All right, best of luck with the Sia coin guys. This is quite one famous token which you might hear in the other YouTubers video, but the other one I'm going to show you is one such which is not talked about much, the Hedera hash graph. Just look at the numbers, 0.32 US dollars, and in INR it's around 25. So what we can expect is 0.3 we have kept the vigilant range, and a buy number should be around 0.28 to 3. It's the same category guys, 20 to 25% in the next 7 days. Just take a note of this, and in INR you should be waiting for 22 rupees, and as soon as it drops below 22 or reaches 22, go for it guys. Remember, HBAR, Hedera hash graph. Moving forward fast, we reach out to VChain. So VChain is written as VET. Please take a note of all the acronyms as well. You might need it. All right. So 0.21 US dollar. It's not a very big crypto, but remember, guys, the cryptos which are less in number show the highest potential. All right. Where there's volatility, you can earn more profit in it, and it's just about your experience. The more the experience you have, the better you can trust your instincts on it, right? So 0.2 US dollar is the current range it's going, and we recommend to be vigilant by 0.22. It's already in our vigilant zone. As I've said, all the next these 8 cryptos I'm going to mention of the particular category will be very tempting for you guys. So 0.22 is the vigilant number, and you can definitely buy it anywhere between 0.19 to 0.21. Guys, it's 0.21 already. It's a go guys. In INR, the vigilant number should be 16, and anywhere between 14.5 to 16, you can definitely go for this, guys. It's bound to give a rise for 20 to 25% in the next 7 days. We are done with the fourth token of the second category, and 4 more tokens are remaining of the second category. Just stay tuned, guys. This information no other YouTuber is going to give you. All the YouTubers you will watch will just talk about 3 or 4 cryptos. The Bitcoin will always be there, the Matic network will always be there, the US dollar token will always be there, and definitely they will talk about Doge. But what about all these cryptos which we are talking, guys? Do you find this in the net? Do write in the comment section, guys. So let's move ahead. The dent, it's written as dent and it's known as dent. There's no particular acronym for this. It's going around 0.01007 US dollar. Again, a small cap crypto, but what I said, do remember, where there's volatility you can always make the maximum profit there, and it just depends on whether you want to take risk, and uh, you will take risk if you have proper information. You will never take risk if you don't have information. Lack of information equals to more risk. I'm giving you the info, you will feel less risk. So what happened is that we have kept the vigilant range for the dent around 0.015. All right, it's already in our focus zone. I honestly say you guys, I have bought a lot of cryptos in all this second category. These are very tempting, and just buy it anywhere between 0.01 to 0.015. So it's already in our buy zone even, and it's bound to give you a 20-25% raise in the next 7 days, guys. Moving ahead, sorry for my Indian brothers, the rupees you should watch for, the range is 0.85. It's already in our vigilant range, my Indian brothers, and you should definitely buy it anywhere between 0.75 to 0.85. So it's a definitely go for the dent, and this will not give you a dent, guys. All right, next we are going to focus is wink. Its acronym is WIN, and the real name is Wink. All right, just see where it is. 0.001 US dollar, a very new token which has come in the market. Why am I focusing on this? Because such tokens will only rise in the next 24 hours. You can see such tokens to give the highest return even in the next 24 hours. All right. So what is our vigilant range for win? It was 0.019. It's already there in our vigilant range. The buy price was 0.015. It's already there, guys, to buy it. And for my, sorry, 0.0015 was our buy number, and it's below our buy number, so it's very tempting to buy this right now. And in Indian rupees, if you convert, it should be 0.099 is the vigilant number. It has reached there almost, and you should always buy it for 0.095. All right. So it's also go guys, for 20 to 25% return within the next 7 to 10 days. Do remember the name Win. Okay. We are done with almost six cryptos of the second category, and we are left with the last two of the second category. The last two are Tron. Take a look here, guys. 0.12773 US dollar, and in INR it's going 10 rupees. Take a note that the vigilant number will be 0.13 US dollar. It's already in our vigilant zone, and the buy number is 0.12. Buy it, guys. Definitely go for it. It's not going to give you a loss. It might have some fluctuations. You will definitely see fluctuations, but I don't suggest you to do intraday. All the data I have shown you is for a potential of 10, 15 days, 7 days. Mark the days as well. I'm not talking about intraday investment, guys. If you are so much into intraday, you can request us that what is the strategy we follow for intraday, and I would share you some list of the cryptos which we deal for intraday transactions. All right, but these are just for intraday transactions, and it's definitely going to give you 20-25% in the next 7 days, guys. In Indian rupees, take a note that 9.8 was our vigilant number, and you should definitely buy it by anywhere above 9.2. I don't think so. You will get it below 9.2 easily in INR, but who knows, guys. Anyways, the last token for the second category, if you can bear with me, and if you do find it interesting, please do like, guys. It's the WazirX token. The app which you are seeing right now on the screen is the WazirX screen, and it has also its own token. It's called the WazirX token. 2.69 US dollar is its current number. We have kept a vigilant uh, range of 2.97 actually, and we had kept a buy number of 2.7 US dollar, and guess what, it just fell below 2.7. 2.68518 US dollar. What the hell are you waiting, guys? If you want to invest, go for this WazirX token if you have enough investment, and the range, it's again 20 to 25% within the next 7 days. Again, all these are our research work and our viewpoints, and you can always agree and choose to disagree. All right, use your brain as well, but the information which we give to you, the list of all these cryptos, the categorization of the cryptos, that is definitely going to help you, guys. That's for sure. And if you can understand, if you believe, if you that these all information is definitely going to help you, please, please, please like, subscribe, and share my video, guys. All right, and I'll also be waiting for your comments because I know you are smart. All right, so these were all the 8 crypto in our second category. We are done with the 2 categories of cryptos. So your wait was, I must say, worth it, and I'm going towards the most tempting cryptos right now. The cryptos I'm going to talk about in the third category are those cryptos which might or might not be in our vigilant zone right now, but they are going to give you the highest uh, investment raise. And this I'm expecting in the next 10 days a raise of 30 or above percentage, guys. First, there are 3 cryptos in this category. We have talked about 16 cryptos till now. We are left with the last 4 most tempting cryptos. All right, so doc is one among it. I'll just move fast with this. The vigilant number was 0.12 US dollar. It is already there. I have invested in it. The buy price was 0.11, and the number which we are expecting is a 30% minimum raise in the next 7 days. I expect this to go move 30%, give a return of 30% in within the next 2 days actually, but it will not be stable at that. All right. Take a note that all these small cryptos might give you a higher return in a very short span, but they are definitely not going to be stable at that range. It will take some time for them to go till that range. All right, but still they will definitely give this outcome in the next 7 to 10 days. So we are done with doc. Take a note in INR that the vigilant number in INR is 9 rupees. It's already below it, and anywhere you can buy it 8.2 or above. So doc is the number one in the most tempting category. Then we have DGByte. All right, so DGB, also known as DGByte, and take a note guys that the vigilant number for this in US dollar was 0.16. It's already in our vigilant zone, and the buy number was 0.15. Anywhere between 0.15 to 0.16, if you buy this crypto, you're going to get a good amount of return in this. Just take a look at this graph guys. It might come down to even 0.1 to 0.13, but that was between 23rd April to 30th April. You are not going to easily get this crypto anywhere around 0.12 or 0.13, and that's why we have kept the buy number at 0.15. You'll be very lucky if you get it around 0.14, but definitely you can buy it at 0.15 and expect a return of more than 30% in the next 7 days. So we are done with the DG Byte as well. Take a note in INR that the vigilant number is 12 rupees and Byte anywhere between 10 to 12 rupees. Okay. The last in the third category, guys, can you guess it? I'm slowly typing. All right, so that you guess it. All right, it's here. It's the Matic network, also written as Matic. Okay, so what's the vigilant number for this? It's 0.82. All right, so it's already in our vigilance zone, and you should be having your laptops and mobile screens uh, opened, and you should be looking on your screens right now for this particular cryptomatic network. And the buy price we recommend is anywhere from 0.78 to 0.82. Just go for it guys, it's definitely going to give you a good uh, investment. It's definitely a good investment guys, and I think you guys know about this particular cryptomatic, right? It's quite famous, well popular, and most of the YouTubers also talk about Matic and Doc, and Doge and Bitcoins are always there, obviously. So all these three cryptos are very promising ones. I repeat their names once again: Doc, Digibyte, and Matic Network. Right? And come on, guys, don't just watch these videos. I provided such a key information to you that no other YouTuber can provide you right now. Have some sense to keep me motivated guys. I need motivation to make more videos. As said, I'm not a very professional YouTuber, but definitely I'm a very research packed guy, and I do my research very properly, that what others are doing and what actually the customers and the investors need to know. And you need to know a list of 15 to 20 uh, cryptos, not just a list of 2 to 3 cryptos, and sit at your home waiting for those 2 to 3 cryptos to rise, right? And again, just making sure that you understand that all the suggestions I've given you are not for intraday, these were all for intraday. So guys, how many cryptos we are done with? 8 of the first category giving around 15 to 20% return, 8 of the second category giving around 20 to 25% return, and the third was 3 more cryptos of the third category giving more than 30% return in the next 7 days. All right, so we are done with 19 cryptos guys, and the last crypto that I want to share with you is uh, is my favorite actually, and it is the most popular crypto right now, and I don't want you guys to invest in it for 5 days or 10 days. All right, this crypto is going to be massive, and it's as I said in the beginning of a video, This last crypto is going to give a return of 200 times in within 2 months. All right, it's almost bound to do it. The biggest of the celebrities are promoting it. People are wearing t-shirts and whatnot, watches and all the accessories, and moving around in the street promoting this. Every person has become a promoter of this particular crypto, which I'm going to talk next, and that's why it has the highest potential. Don't take this particular crypto serious lightly, and also not seriously, because it's this crypto was actually developed to make fun of the crypto market. And if you can guess it, it's none other than Dogecoin. Yeah, guys. So I guess you all know about this, and you don't require much information about this particular crypto. You can find all the YouTubers barking like themselves, like they being the Dogecoin itself about this. Uh, Also remember one rule of Dogecoin: you never sell Dogecoin. Okay, just buy it and keep it for 2 months at least. You don't sell it within 10 days, you don't sell it within 20 days, guys. Even if it reaches it, even if it is giving you 200% raise, don't sell. Mark my words, don't sell. You will never get this crypto back to the range where you bought it from. All right, and for that 200% you are going to miss 200 times. Definitely, at whatever price you will buy this, you are going to get a good return. Just take a note that our vigilant number was 0.35 US dollar. It's coming near it. It's very difficult to get to that number. This is a very popular, and there's a lot of investment, and the whale gang investing and the bear gang disinvesting. It's highly unpredictable. But one thing we can predict is that it's going to rise. It's never going to settle down to the price which you saw it 3 days before. All right, if you see it in that price, it's just a fluctuation and not a stability at that price. All right, mark the uh, this buy price is 0.32 US dollar, and in INR you can get it for anywhere between 24 to 27 rupees. All right, and as said, this is my favorite crypto, guys. I hope this video has given you enough information about the entire crypto market, and you will no more be just dumb people looking for just three or four cryptocurrencies, and talking in parties that, oh guys, I'm a crypto investor, I know so much about crypto investment. Have you invested in Dogecoin? Have you invested in Bitcoin? Those are bullshit, guys. There's a whole lot of a big market and transactions and so many cryptos. I just presented to you the list of the top 20 cryptos, and there are almost 60-70 cryptos in the market. Do you want to keep yourself refrained to just three or four cryptos, or do you want to widen your spectrum, guys? Choice is yours. All these were my viewpoints. I hope you understand that even I need a motivation, and your like, subscribe and share of this channel will be my motivation, guys. And just before ending this, I just want to speak one thing more. Hail Doge, bro. Don't miss the Doge coin. All right. So thank you everyone for bearing with me. Thanks a lot.